Hello friends, so I wanted to show you my new project. For my off-grid cabin I want to have three sources of energy like solar, wind and gasoline generator. So I was looking for one just to fix and have something to work on, and I was able to get this. It is from two different machines. Here there is the tank, where you can see there are missing parts. Uh, First machine is just the generator and the alternator itself. Seems good, but there is no or weak compression. And the second part was the frame, which I started to work on already. You can see there are two colors. It is from different machine. I have started to weld the missing parts where the gray tubes were welded. Here you can see there is still a lot of work to do. And I welded also a temporary exhaust pipe to test. So this will be the new project. It looks like it is something like 3 kilowatts or up to 6 kilowatts generating power. So in the next videos I will be working on this, like cleaning. There are a lot of parts missing. The whole front plate with the circuits boards are missing, so that will be a bit of a challenge. The windings are good, they are not burned, so it should work. If the engine starts, then there should be power. Okay, so this will be the next project. The tank is good. Only missing part here is the petcock here for the gas. Yeah, so let's see if it works and how well it works.